Welcome to this video on how to add and adjust taxes on a deal in DealerTeam. To begin, navigate to your desired deal. Under the deal outline, you'll find the tax section. Click on the pop-out to add taxes. You have two options. You can either apply a tax zone or add a manual tax. To apply a tax zone, select it from the lookup field. The system will automatically apply all associated taxes to the deal. To adjust any of the items, click the pencil icon. When changes are saved, the rate and amount will update and the system will mark it as a manual override. The next option is to add manual taxes by clicking the plus sign. Select the jurisdiction type, which defines who receives the tax, such as state, county, city, district, or special. Next, choose a rate type. This determines which items on the deal are taxed. For example, selecting General applies the tax to all taxable items, while selecting Vehicle limits the tax to vehicle-related items only. Now you can either select a flat amount or enter a rate percentage and click Save. Once applied, your taxes will be reflected in your deal outline. And that's how you add taxes to a deal in DealerTeam. Thanks for watching.